Alright, so I'm here with the G22 Accord. There's quite a few of you out there that have asked about this car. Pretty much spun a bearing and had to replace it, new crankshaft, all that. This right here is its first startup since. Literally just finished putting it all back together right now. You can go look at his channel, Wild Child Bleak. But yeah, I mean, she's running. She sounds healthy. So we're getting ready to take her on a test ride and see what happens. I will keep you guys posted on that. Hopefully all goes well. And you guys will see this car out there in the races as well. But stay tuned, because I still have more videos from the other night that I gotta post. So I'll still be posting those probably tonight. But yeah. Also, she's got some new wheels on her. Look at the lip on them. Yeah, I'll let you guys know how this goes.